In a recent video, we looked at flowers and learned that their purpose is reproduction. Flowers make seeds, and seeds grow into new plants. Today, I wanted to take a closer look at seeds. At first, I thought this was going to be a problem because it's not really the right time of year to find seeds outside. But then I remembered something. See this plant behind me? It's an avocado tree. I grew it last summer from a seed. Where did I get the seed? From inside an avocado. We call it the pit, but it's really an avocado seed. And if you take it out and plant it in soil and give it sunlight and water, it'll grow into an avocado tree, just like mine. I got so excited thinking about how I grew this avocado tree that I started wondering, what other kinds of seeds might I find in my kitchen? So I went and took a look. One thing I found was an apple, and if you've ever eaten an apple, you know that they have seeds inside. Another thing I found was this. It's a piece of a green pepper. We ate the rest of it for dinner last night, but look, this piece still has some tiny seeds clinging to the inside. I also remembered that I had some dried beans in the cupboard. I had Lima beans and Great Northern beans. Did you know that beans are seeds? It's true. If you plant uncooked beans in some soil and give them some water and sunlight, they'll grow into bean plants. I wonder what kind of seeds you can find in your kitchen. Before you go look, let's learn a little bit about the parts of a seed. Let's take a look at a lima bean seed. Lima beans, and all seeds, have a hard shell on the outside that protects the seed and keeps it from drying out until it's ready to grow. This hard shell is called the seed coat. Once the seed gets wet, the seed coat begins to soften so the baby plant can emerge. I needed to soften the seed coat so we could see inside, so I soaked the lima bean in water overnight. Here it is next to a lima bean that was not soaked in water. What do you notice? Did you notice that the lima bean that was in water overnight is much bigger? That's because the seed has already begun soaking up water so it can grow. As the seed soaks up water, it swells and becomes larger. Now the seed coat is soft and easy to remove. Once we've removed the seed coat, we can gently pry the two halves of the lima bean seed apart to have a look inside. One thing you may notice inside the seed is the tiny embryo. This embryo is what will grow into a new plant. This part of the embryo will grow into the plant's roots, and this part will become the leaves and stem. All the rest of the seed is what we call the cotyledon. The cotyledon is what provides food to the growing embryo until it is big enough to have leaves and get energy from the sun. Now we've learned a little bit about what's inside a seed. Here's your challenge for today. Go to the kitchen and find as many kinds of seeds as you can. Here's a hint. We can find seeds in most of the fruits and vegetables that we eat. Also, remember things like dried beans are really just seeds. Take pictures of your seeds and post them in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you find. Next time, we're going to learn a fun way that we can plant our seeds so we can observe them as they grow. See you soon!